You just found the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.